avocados from Mexico. You've probably all heard the very distinctive jingle on your TV or on your phone, but if you haven't, then maybe you've had avocado toast, guacamole, or some other variation of the fruit. Avocados have become a staple food and have become a trend due to their rich, delicious, and creamy taste. Well, today I'll be informing you about avocados and the harmful effects they have on our environment. Due to their link to deforestation and environmental degradation of land, it is important to recognize the effects of avocados. The purpose of my speech today is to leave you better informed of the risk that avocados pose. And today I will be informing you of the history of avocados, the impact they have on us today, and possible ways to stop the problem. Avocados date all the way back to prehistoric times. Actually, when the dinosaurs became extinct, they could have just as easily become extinct. In an article for Sustainable Food, January of 2020, Honor May Eldridge stated that locals of South and Central America have relied on the fruit for nutrition for over 3,000 years. Avocados contain a high level of a monosaturated fat called oleic acid, which makes it highly beneficial for those that don't get enough fat from animals. They were introduced to Europe in 1601 and have since been loved around the world for their rich taste. And now that you know where avocados come from, here's how it affects our environment today. About 11 billion pounds of avocados are consumed annually worldwide, and it is estimated that each avocado requires 320 liters of water. Intensive avocado production has caused biodiversity loss, extreme weather conditions, and extensive soil degradation where they're grown. It certainly doesn't help that avocados are a very thirsty fruit, and they're often grown in regions where water is scarce, as stated by Tom Usher from Vice in May of 2018. And according to Dr. Wayne Martindale from Sheffield Hallam University, in March of 2017, avocado growers in Mexico are cutting down rainforests to meet the demand for avocados. In fact, many have intentionally burned land to bypass a Mexican law allowing producers to change the land use permit to commercial agriculture instead of forest land if that land is lost to burning. Because most avocados come from a generally small region and thus must be shipped around the world, they have also garnered quite the significant carbon footprint. And while it might seem that we're helpless when it comes to turning back these effects, I'll now explain possible ways we can help to try to stop this from happening. According to Manuel Ochoa Ayala from World Economic Forum in February of 2020, avocado production is on the brink of causing an entirely human-made environmental disaster. But food certification schemes like fair trade have made it easily to buy food more ethically. Yet, it can take years for food to get certified. Currently, only a small percentage of the average person's groceries are truly certified. But by implementing better food certification, distributors would have to disclose how sustainable their farming is, and then we as consumers can make better informed decisions about the avocados we buy. In my speech today, I told you about where avocados come from, the effect they have on the environment today, and possible ways to stop the problem. I hope you leave with a better idea of the impact avocados have on the world we live on. And maybe you'll think twice next time you're at a grocery store or at a restaurant, because avocados from Mexico are kind of killing our environment.